remove the seeds. See, I'm removing the seeds. One by one, you'll remove seeds of. And after removing seeds, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to put this almond in center and pack it. This you're going to do with every day. Put almond, pack. See, I'm removing seed. I'm putting one almond. I'm packing. Same, I'm going to. Now I'll pack it like this. Keep your date like this and roll it nicely. Neatly roll with silver foil. You pack it. You can see how beautiful it is looking. After this is 5-star. I've taken chopped dates. I'm going to add very small amount of dry coconut. I'm going to add few roasted seeds of Hershey's chocolate sauce. If you want different flavor, you can add strawberry sauce also. If you want strawberry, I'm making it chocolatey. Now I'll mix it nicely. This kind of part, this is done. You keep it in center and cover it nicely. The Sanj Savera. Sanj because it is black outside and inside it is silver. That's why the name of this sweet is Chocolaty Sanj Savera. It's beautiful to look and easy to prepare, and the taste